my name is Tanusha.
I'm Richa.
And we are here today at Claying Thoughts. So this Valentine's we decided to do something amazing for Valentine's, and this is what we created with the help of our teacher, whose name is Pooja, who is very supporting.
Pooja is in Noida in sector 21. She helped us with the beginner's technique, which is known as the coiling technique. She first introduced us to many of the claying thoughts, we could say, and different techniques of claying modeling, and then we started up with this. We did not know what we were about to do, but she made it very easy for us, made us understand it, and here we are.
Yeah, a beautiful models. This is a pencil holder, and this is a vase. It's a beautiful 5 BHK of Aditya. And this is again a pencil holder, and this is Valentine's special rose.
And the hearts.
And yes, these are the not lamps.
Yeah, lamps.
Lamps.
Other lamps.
And diyas, basically diyas. And ये हमने किसमें करा है?
The claying
Machine.
pottery machine.
Pottery machine, proper pottery machine. That was so stress relieving, and we'll suggest you guys to come here and enjoy, because this is stress busting.
Sure.
This is creative, and you will enjoy it. You won't believe that where your 2 or 3 hours went away, and
Yes.
you
I will
will
not
enjoy
want
it.
to stop it.